So good morning. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So now, very good morning. Okay, welcome to all. Very good morning, all of you. Very good morning. Okay, Behra. Okay, Harsha, Santosh, Sanjay Rani. Right, Chintu, Swati. Okay. So what is the question number we have covered in the last class? Anybody? Could you please remind me the question number? Question number. I want question number. Okay. Okay, 48 now. 49. Okay, 49. Right. 49. Right. Let us start the question number 49. Right. So very good morning, all of you. Very good morning. Very good morning. Okay. So now properties of triangle. Properties of triangles. Okay. Now let us start. Okay. Now it's valid. Audible. Okay. Clear. Clear. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Audible now? No. Audible? Okay. It's coming. I think so. Wait now. Wait. 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 You will get it. Right now. Question number is 49. R1 minus R2 minus R into R3 minus R. First option 4 capital R small r. Second 4 R S. Third 4 R delta. Fourth one is 4 R small r square. Okay. So now it's audible, I think so. Okay. R1 into R1 minus R into R2 minus R into R3 minus R. So that means now here solution in the place of R1 we can write delta by S minus A minus R is delta by S multiplied by, this is delta by S minus B minus delta by S. R3 is delta by S minus C minus delta by S. Okay. Now I think it's addable now. Okay. Now this equals to, here take out delta common, here delta common, you will be getting delta cube common. Here S into S minus A, we have S minus of S plus A. In the similar manner here, we get S into S minus B. So this will be S minus S plus B. Here S into S minus C. So S minus S plus C. See, S gets cancelled, S gets cancelled, here S gets cancelled. We have delta cube of A into B into C. By here we have C S into S minus B, S minus C, and we can write like this, S square into S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this equals to delta cube into ABC upon, this is S square, this S into S minus A, S minus B is equal to delta square we have. So this is equal to delta cube by delta square is delta, ABC is 4R delta upon, we have S square. This we can write 4R delta square by S square. We know delta is equal to, cheat code we have Ravi Shastri, RS. In the place of delta, RS substitute. This will be 4R R square S square upon S square. S square gets cancelled. We have, this is 4 capital R into small r square will be our answer. So that means fourth option. So boys, I don't have any problem here. Okay. Wait now. It's clear? Okay, I need to check here. Okay. Next question. Let's move to next question. Okay. Next. #50 question. Question number 50. Question number 50. R1 upon S minus B, S minus C plus R2 upon S minus C, s minus a plus r3 upon s minus a s minus b equals to first option 1 by r, second option 3 by r, third option 2 by r, fourth option 4 by r. Okay, let us do it now. So better use the earphones. So now, okay, so now this given expression can be written as, in the place of r1, now in the place of r2, in the place of r3, let us substitute delta by s minus a, delta by s minus b, delta by s minus c. This we can write delta by, you will get s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay. Plus here delta by, this will be delta by s minus b, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, plus this will be delta by s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. This equal to 3 times we have delta by s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Multiply both numerator, okay, not s is there here. I have written directly s here. So now 3 delta by s minus a, s minus c, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Multiply and divide by s. So now we can write this is 3 delta s by this s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is delta square we have. This is 3s by delta. We know that delta is equal to Ravi Shastri, rs. So delta is equal to rs. We can write 3s by rs. So s gets cancelled. We have 3 by r3 upon r. So second option is the right option. Okay, now question 51. If r1, r2, r3 equals to k by r, then k equals to, first option yes, second option is s square, third option is delta, fourth option is delta square. This is the question. See, r1 into r2 into r3 is equal to k by r. We need to find out k value. Just cross multiply. If you cross multiply, k becomes r into r1 into r2 into r3. So already, once again, I will give the proof also. R into r1 into r2 into r3 is delta square. Okay, we know the option is fourth one, but I will give the proof also. Delta by s minus a, delta by s minus b, delta by s minus c. This will be delta power 4 by s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. See, we know that s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is delta square. delta power 4 by delta square is equal to, we have delta square. This is the proof. Okay, right. So next question. 52. 52nd question. 52nd question. No problem, Murali Krishna. First, subscribe. In triangle ABC, S minus A by delta equals to 1 by 12, S minus C by delta equals to 1 by 24. Then B equals to, first option 16, second option 20, third option 24, which question R is missing? Chalam Shastri. Sir, in question R is missing. Okay. 24. Fourth option is 28. Okay. So in triangle ABC, S minus A by delta is equal to 1 by 8. S minus B by delta equals to 1 by 12. S minus C by delta is equal to 1 by 24. Then we need to find out B. Understood now? So generally one may get the confusion that as S minus A by delta is given, S minus B by delta is given, S minus C by delta is given, how shall you find out the B value? So that means just if you observe, S minus A by delta is the reciprocal of R1. S minus B by delta is reciprocal of R2. S minus C by delta is the reciprocal of R3. So that means here actually given that, so this is equal to 1 by R1. So that means R1 is equal to 8. This is 1 by R1. Similarly, this one 1 by R2. Similarly, this will be 1 by R3. So we can write R2 is equal to 12 and R3 is equal to 24. Now with the help of these three values, we need to find out B value. So first delta calculated. We know that delta square is equal to R1 into R2 into R3 into R. So that means here R value we need to find out. R value means 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. We know this formula. So that means 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. 24 is the LCM. Am I correct now? 8 3 ja 3, 12 2 ja 1, 6 by 24, that is 1 by 4. R value will be 4. So here 4 into 8 into 12 into 24. So this we can write 4 into 2 means 4 into 24 into 24. So delta is equal to square root of this one. Square root of 4 into 4 into 24 into 24. Square root of 4 into 4 is 4. Square root of 24 into 24 is 24. So this will be 96. So then we need to calculate the B value. So we have, I'll give the formula for B. B is equal to, we need to find out like this. Okay, so b equals to, we can write s minus b. Okay, this we can write s minus, the s minus b is equal to what? R1 R2 is equal to delta by this is R2 we can write, but we need to find out s. How to find out s? S is equal to uh, delta by s. Delta by s means delta is equal to 96 by 4. 96 by 4 is 24. So this b value is equal to, now we get b value is equal to 24 minus delta. Delta is 96 upon R2. R2 is 12. So that means 12 8 ja. 24 minus 8. That will be 16. So answer is 16. First option. Option 1. Yes, delta by R. Delta by R. Okay. Right. So now the 53rd question. Even some of the viewers may be Ecet batch, actually those who have completed diploma. So you remember, my suggestion is that last year question paper was too tough. So easy questions will not appear in Ecet examination also. Please try to concentrate these kind of questions. For your sake only, see, I am explaining all kind of problems. This can be applicable for Ecet examination also. This time you prepare for even higher order thinking problems also. So without having long process this numerical problems, I have done a shortcut way. That's all. So now in triangle ABC, A is to B is to C equals to 3 is to 5 is to 4. Then we need to find A plus B plus C root 2 equals to, first option is 3A, second option is 3C, third option is 3B, fourth option is 2C. The magic triangle will not work in this problem. So Sandeep, don't you are actually, yesterday I have been observing for 3 days unnecessarily charting. Please concentrate on the subject, Sandeep. First, that is important. Okay, now something settings that I don't have the idea. I'll check later. Okay, right. In triangle ABC, A is to B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5 is to 4. Then A plus B plus C root 2 equals to how much? Okay. So now, okay. So first we need to find out angles of the triangle first. As the ratio among the angles of the triangle are given, we need to find out the first of all angles. Okay. So now we need to actually divide the 180 degrees in the ratio 3:5:4. First total parts is 5 plus 4, 9, 12 parts. So that means A is equal to 3 divided by 12 into 180 degrees. This means 12 1 ja, 12 15 ja. This is equal to 45 degrees, A value. Now the angle B equals to 5 by 12 into 180 degrees. This will be 12 1 ja, 12 15 ja. 75 degrees. Okay. Right. C equals to 4 by 12 into 180 degrees. 12 15 ja, 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Okay, now the angles have been evaluated. So that means 75 plus 45 is actually 120. 120 plus 60 is 180 itself only. Okay. Sound clearly that. Any setting problem? Check cheyo sari. పోతుంది ఇది ఇది పెట్టు తొందరగా
sound is clear. Check చేస్తున్నాను.
Hello, now it's clear. It's clear. No. Okay. So now we need to find out this value. The given expression is equal to A plus B plus C root 2. So there is no way we need to write A, B, C using sine rule itself only. Using sine rule. Okay, now A equals to 2R sine A, B equals to 2R sine B, sine B, C is equal to 2R sine C, root 2. So now we can take out 2R common out. If we take 2R common out, we have sine A, sine B plus root 2 times sine C. Let us substitute the respective values now. That means sine 45 you need to write. A for 45, B for 75, sine 75, and plus root 2 times sine 60 degrees. Okay, let it be simplified for our convenience. So this can be simplified like this. 2R multiplied by sine 45 is 1 by root 2 plus sine 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 2 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. So now the root 2 by 2 we can write this is root 2. Better you can take 2 root 2 LCM among root 2 and 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is the LCM. Root 2 gets cancelled. 2 into 1 2 plus this will be root 3 plus 1. Am I correct? Plus this will be 2 root 3. So now this becomes we need to simplify 2R times 2 plus 1 is 3, root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 upon 2 root 2. This 3 we can take out common. Then we have 2R multiplied by root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. See, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is sine 75 degrees. that we can write 3 multiplied by 2r sine 75. But according to the problem, 75 is equals to b. Am I correct now? So this is replaced by b. 3 times 2r sine b. As for sine rule, 2r sine b is nothing but b. So that is 3b is the right option. Okay. Sandeep will suggest, but Sandeep is becoming so naughty. Right. Check the question once again, all of you. Option 3. Yes, correct. See the simplification. See here, actually LCM is 2 root 2. Root 2 cancel, 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3. 3 common. So 2r into root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Again I have written sine 75. But in the problem 75 is equal to b. So 2r sine b. 2r sine b is equal to small b. So that is 3b. Next 54th problem. 54th problem. Sine 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 54th problem. In triangle ABC, B minus C equals to 3 root 3. A is equal to 120 degrees and the area of triangle ABC, equals to 9 root 3 upon 2 centimeter square or square centimeter. Then small a equals to, that means then side of the a we need to evaluate. The first option is 6, second option is 8, third option is 9, fourth option is 7. Okay, this is the question. First, Abhi Prakash actually give the what is the answer for this one? Moses, you are new to my class. Tollywood, you are also. Surya Chandram. Sreyana, sine 75. The 75 is actually B. We evaluated. That is sine B. 2r sine B is equal to B. Okay. So now in the triangle ABC, B minus C, the difference of the two sides is given and one of the angles is given 120 degrees and area of the triangle is given. Okay. Then now we need to find out a value. A value means cosine rule we need to use. But the cosine rule means, see, let us write in rough part. A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This formula we have. But here we have A. We can find out, no doubt. A is 120. But what about B square plus C square and BC? We need these two values. If we are able to find out B square plus C square and BC, easily this problem can be cracked. So that means first of all we should have some vision while we are going to solve the problem. That is very important strategy we need to be developed as a mathematical thinking. This is called mathematical thinking. So that means with the help of b minus c, we can find out b square plus c square. But bc can be find out with the help of the delta. See, now I will draw the triangle now for our convenience. This is, say, triangle ABC. This is, say, small a, this is small b, this is small c. Include angle of b and c is given, that is 120 degrees. Okay. Now the area of the triangle delta is equal to, we can write like this, of BC sine A, because included sides of this angle is BC. So of BC sine A. Delta is given that 9 root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 times BC sine 120. What is the value of sine 120? Sine 120 equals to sine 90 plus 30. Sine 90 plus theta cos theta. So that is cos 30. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Please remember. Okay. Right now this 2 gets cancelled. We have 9 root 3 equals to BC multiplied by sine 120 is root 3 by 2. Again root 3 gets cancelled. We have BC is equal to 18. We know the BC and b minus c is given. So b minus c is equal to 3 root 3. So with the help of these two, now we need to find out b square plus c square. See, let us find out b square plus c square. See, the b square plus c square is equal to, I will write like this, b minus c whole square. Okay, b minus c whole square. What is the b minus c whole square? B square plus c square minus 2bc. I will write plus 2bc. Let us substitute. The b minus c is equal to 3 root 3. 3 root 3 whole square is 27. Am I correct? Plus 36. How much you will be getting? BC is equal to 18. Okay. 3 root 3 is 27. 27. The b square plus c square minus 2bc plus 2bc. BC is 36. So how much you will be getting? This is 63. Am I correct now? Okay. Otherwise, let us go for directly for the problem instead of this. Why should we waste our time? Okay. So now we need to find out, as we know the BC and b minus c, we need to find out a square. See, now let us find out a square right down here. A square is equal to b square plus c square, okay, minus 2bc cos a. A means actually 120 degrees. See, cos 120 is minus half. So that is minus half. Okay, minus half. This we can write now, b square plus c square, you will write plus 2bc. So now this can be written b square plus c square minus 2bc plus 4bc right down. So this is b minus c whole square plus 4 times bc. See, what do you get now here? See, a square is equal to b minus c whole square, that is 27 plus 4bc. 4bc is how much? Sorry. 1 minute. I did mistake here. Here bc. Okay. So bc. Here 3bc right on. Here 3bc. Okay. 27 plus 3 into BC is 54. This will be 81. Am I correct now? So A is equal to 9. That is the answer. Third option. Yes. Minus 2BC into, this is very important step. Minus 2BC into minus 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. We get BC only, plus BC only. This I have written minus 2BC plus 3BC. This is B square, B minus C whole square plus 3BC. So then we get A square is equal to B minus C whole square is 9 into 3, 27 plus 18 into 3, 54. So 81. Square root of 81 is 9. So that is 9. Now the 55. Question number 55. If the perimeter yes, by squaring also you'll get it, don't worry. If the perimeter of a triangle is 6 times the arithmetic mean, mean of the sine angles and the side A is unity. Unity means 1 is unity. Then angle A equals to, then we need to find out angle A, the measure of angle A. Okay. First option is pi by 6. Second option is pi by 4. Third option is pi by 3. Fourth option is pi by 2. First read the question, very important. First all of you note down the question. First of all of you note down the questions. Okay. Next read the question 1 or 2 times, then you need to understand the concept is given, what is the concept, then we need to work out it. So within the stipulated time. The perimeter of a triangle is 6 times the arithmetic mean of the sine angles. Side A is unity. This is unity. Then angle A, measure of angle A we need to find out. Okay. What is meant by Katragada? Okay. So now the perimeter of a triangle. What is the perimeter of a triangle? Yes, you are correct. A plus B plus C, that is the perimeter, equal to arithmetic mean of the sine angles. What are the sine angles? Sine A, sine B, sine C. Mean sine A plus sine B plus sine C by C. Okay. So that means now here given that perimeter of the triangle A plus B plus C equals to 6 times arithmetic mean of sine of angles, sine A plus sine B plus sine C. Okay. Upon here 3. This the arithmetic mean of any three numbers is sum of the observations by number of observations. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C by 3. That's correct. So now what we need to do? So this 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Now apply the sine rule. Better apply the sine rule. Instead of A, we can write 2r sin A, plus instead of B, we can write 2r sin B. Okay. Plus instead of C, we can write 2r sin C equals to 2 times sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Just we need to simplify carefully. That's all. Don't be hurry. Take 2r common. If you take 2r common, we get sin A plus sin B plus sin C equals to 2 times sin A plus sin B plus sin C. So now what happens? This sin A plus sin B plus sin C, sin A plus sin B plus sin C cancelled. 2r is equal to 2. That means circumradius has been obtained, 1. That means now we need to find out angle A. Side A is given. Now recall, actually here only we can do. So that I will do here. Small a is equal to, we have 2r sin A. This is a formula. Here A is being given 1. So that means here sin A is equal to, we can write A by 2r. So that means here A equals to how much? 1 given, unity. A is unity. So 1. R is obtained now 1. So 2 into 1, 2, 1 by 2. So sin A is equal to 1 by 2 means obviously A is equal to how much? 30 degrees. That is pi by 6 is the answer. So first option. This question is very important for even all the competitive entrance examinations. Okay, now have you noted down, all of you, this question? Thank you. So today actually the new viewers are there, better subscribe first. Yes, Sivaramakrishna, you are also new to class, right? Sir, why don't you take A plus B plus C is equal to S? So okay, if you take A plus B plus C is equal to S, that side also, right hand side also, we need to change to S only. Same thing, no problem, you will get the answer. So 56th problem. In triangle ABC, if C is equal to 90 degrees, then A square plus B square, A square minus B square, sine of A minus B equals to, first option is 1, second option is 2, third option is 3, fourth option is 4. Okay. How to get A is equal to 1 in the last problem? Last problem, A is unity given. A is unity given. Kishore, I am writing so clear. You ask others, is it visible clear or not? Right. So now in triangle ABC, if C is equal to 90 degrees, then we need to find out a square plus b square by a square minus b square sine of a minus b. Okay. So now the solution, first let us draw the triangle, right angle triangle. So this is rough figure. C, say A, this is B. This will be small c, small a, small b. Using Pythagoras theorem, we know that c square is equal to a square plus b square. Am I correct now? We can write? Right, thank you. Next now, let us go for given expression. What is the given expression here? A square plus b square by a square minus b square multiplied by sine of a minus b. According to the problem, a square plus b square is replaced by c square. So this can be rewritten c square by a square minus b square of sine of a minus b. Okay. So now small a, small b, small c for sine rule apply. If you apply c is equal to r sine c, that will be 4r square sine square c. Am I correct? Upon this a square is 4r square sine square a. Minus b square is 4r square sine square b. If I write legible means it takes somewhat becomes slow because this is the digital pen. This will be very smart. Sorry. See, this will happen here. This is the problem with this pen. Multiplied by sine of a minus b. So now in the numerator we have 4r square. In the denominator we can take out 4r square common. That means 4r square cancel. We have sine square c by, here we have sine square a minus sine square b. In compound angles we have studied. So that is wait now. Okay, now I think it is clear. Okay. Sine square a plus sine square b is, we can write sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. This is a formula. And multiplied by, here we have sine of a minus b. So sine of a minus b, sine of a minus b gets cancelled. But sine of a plus b equal to sine 180 minus c, that is sine c. So here we get sine c, we get it now. Okay. But c is equal to what is given now here? 90 degrees. So that's equal to sine 90. Sine 90 degrees is equal to, everybody knows, 1. Yes. So first option is the right option. Okay, Dhruvansh. I will be waiting for your right now. Next question. All of you noted down. I'll give just at least Mr. Ravindra Billa how to increase speed in solving questions. That is by practice itself only. Because the students will do better than us. We know. Because you will be at that age, everybody will have that such type of tendency. But our aim is actually to it need to reach all the sectors of the children, isn't it now? So we will be little bit slow while solving the problem, but you will do it. Don't worry. #57. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, 3 sin A equal to 6 sin B equal to 2 root 3 sin C. 2 root 3 sin C. Then measure of A. That means angle A need to be evaluated. A 30 degrees, A may be 45, okay, A may be 60 and A may be 90. So we need to select which of the option is correct. So 56th problem, I shall come. In triangle ABC, 3 sin A equals to 6 sin B equals to 2 root 3 sin C. Then we need to find out angle A. So whenever angle A means, actually in general we can use the cosine rule. Sometimes sides and circumradius and one angle is given, then we can find out with the help of the sine rule. But here actually we need to apply the cosine rule now. Here see, first divide this one by 6 now throughout. What do you get now? Divide throughout by 6. 3 sin A by 6. We can write sin A by 2, correct? This will be sin B by 1. This will be, we get sin C by, I will tell you, 2 root 3 by 6. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. This root 3 by, this 3 can be written root 3 into root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled, root 3. This will be sin C by root 3. So that means sin A is equal to sin B is equal to sin C, means this indirectly this may be equal to, given that sin A is actually A by sin A, B by sin B, C by sin C. Their ratio A is to B is to C is equal to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. So we have this condition, you remember now. A is to B is to C is same as in triangle sin A is to sin B is to sin C. So that means in the place of sin A you can write A. So A by 2 equals to B by 1 equals to C by root 3. You can observe this 2, 1, root 3 may be the Pythagorean triplet. So I will explain actually, see. So 2 square plus 1 square write down. This will be 4 plus 1. How much? Wait now. You take like this. Okay. So now 1 square plus root 3 square write down. This is 1 plus 3, 4. That will be 2 square. That means indirectly here B square plus C square is equal to, we get A square. Therefore, now triangle ABC is right angle triangle. That's why angle A should be equal to 90 degrees. So that means fourth option is the right option. Yes, even the sides are in the ratio 2 is to 1 is to 3. One angle will be 90, other angle is 30, 60 also. Yes, absolutely correct. That is also correct. So now the 58. Question number 58. Why should we divide by 6 means of all the values 6 will be the highest. That's why I divided by 6. That is trial and error only. In triangle ABC, 1 plus cos of A minus B multiplied by cos C upon 1 plus cos of A minus C multiplied by cos B equals to, first option, A square plus B square upon B square plus C square. Second option, A square plus B square upon A square plus C square. Third option, A square minus B square upon B square minus C square. Fourth option, A square minus B square upon A square minus C square. So this is the question. Okay. So now see, in triangle ABC we have C is equal to 180 degrees minus of A plus B. Check it, am I correct? A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Then C is equal to enjoying your classes and corona holidays. So don't say like that. We need to actually drive away the corona. That's our duty. We should salute to the our chief ministers and our prime minister, and next our doctors, nurses and policemen, everybody who is involving to get rid of this corona. Once again we need to say the salute, all of us. Let us do it. C equals to 180 degrees minus A plus B, whereas B is equal to, we can write 180 degrees minus A plus C. So that means now let us find out cos C. Cos C is equal to cos 180 minus theta minus, so minus cos of A plus B. Now the cos B equals to cos of 180 minus of A plus C minus cos of A plus C. This is my plan. So that means, yes, they are the real heroes. So cos C is replaced by minus cos of A plus B. Cos B is replaced by minus cos of A plus C. So now the given expression can be written as 1, this cos C is minus, plus into minus minus, cos of A minus B into cos of A plus B. Am I correct? Upon, so you can expect the next step. Okay. Now this we can write 1 minus cos of A minus C into cos B is actually minus cos of A plus B, plus into minus minus cos of A plus Z. See, this is the formula in compound angles we have studied. So this we can write 1 minus of cos square A or minus sin square B upon, similar manner, the cos of A minus C into cos of A plus C, cos square A minus cos square C, sorry, sin square C. So now let us do it now. So this can be written, open the brackets, 1 minus cos square A, so minus into minus plus sin square B upon 1 minus cos square A plus sin square C. Here very interesting, 1 minus cos square A is sin square A plus this is sin square B. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A plus sin square C. Don't worry, wherever sin A you write small a, wherever sin B you write small b, wherever sin C you write, because A is to B is to C is equal to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. So that directly we can write A square plus B square by A square plus C square. Which is the right option? Which is the right option? Check it now. Which is the right option? Yes. Second option is the right option. Right now. I shall have a water and then I shall come out to the class. So generally while discussing other chapters also, the previous chapters will be actually revised here. All the formulae of the previous chapters will be revised. Please do remember. Question number? What is the question number? Anybody question number? So you can apply shortcut Sharma Shastri, that is a magic triangle you can use. Yes, 59. Okay. 59. In triangle ABC, 2a cos of b minus c by 2 equals to b plus c. Then, and what is given that angle B does not equal to angle C. Then angle A. We need to find out angle A. First option is pi by 3. Second option is pi by 4. Third option is pi by 6. Fourth option is pi by 2. So first read the question carefully. Okay. So evening I will try about the sound. I need to check once again and go to back to the software. I need to check it. Okay. So now in triangle ABC, 2a cos of b minus c by 2 equals to b plus c, and b does not equal to c given, then angle A you need to find out. So okay, you leave it about the dislikes and etc. That is actually depends upon their view. So we don't have, you leave it, actually you need to concentrate on the problem. If you are interested, you just like it. Otherwise leave it, no problem for us. But I am doing for the sake of children. Okay. So now this cos of b minus c by 2 2 times equals to, we can write b plus c by a. Already in the introductory part only we have studied b plus c by a is one of the Mollwide formulae. That's equal to, what is the formula we have? Cos of b minus c by 2 upon sin a by 2. Now please check your notes and tell me whether it is correct or not. You need to type it. Okay. Right, Lokesh, Nagalata, Sivaramakrishna for updating. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, correct. So now instead of b plus c by a, you can write this value now. So 2 cos of b minus c by 2 equals to cos of b minus c by 2 upon sin a by 2. Now what happens here? What will be the simplification? These two will be gets cancelled. Here we have 1. Just cross multiply. So we have like this. 2 sin a by 2 is equal to 1. Again we can write sin a by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equivalent to sin 30 degrees. Am I correct now? Sin 30. So a by 2 is equal to 30. A equals to 60. Pi by 3. Or a by 2 is equal to 30. A is equal to 2 into 30 is 60. Pi by 3. So first option. Okay. So when you started class? 10 o'clock I started class. $60. Question number 60. Sin 3b by sin b equals to a square minus c square whole square upon okay, I repeat the question. A square minus c square upon 2ac whole square. Then a square b square c square are in. That means here write down, I have forgotten, in triangle ABC. Otherwise the question is not valid. In triangle ABC. Vaibhav Thakur, please. So please try to concentrate. Mani said you are absolutely correct. Okay. Right. First option is AP. Second option is GP. Third option is harmonic progression. And fourth option is AGP. See, during this critical situation is everybody is actually wanted to concentrate on the subject. That's why they are engaging in the different online courses. Please Thakur, please try to understand. You need to even cooperate with others so that they will listen the lesson very carefully so that they can get the more ranks in the entrance examinations. Okay, that's why only. Okay. So now in triangle ABC, sin 3b by sin b equals to a square minus c square by 2ac whole square. Then a square b square c square are in. Actually this question is very lengthy question, because actually in board examination or in a diploma M1 examination or intermediate examination, this was actually 7 marks problem. But here whenever this type of question is given, directly we can remember a square b square c square are in arithmetic progression only. But for your sake I will prove it. Don't worry, I will prove it now. So now the solution, already answer is known. Better you remember this question. Okay. So now I am doing once again. Sine 3b is equal to 3 sine b minus 4 sine cube b, because sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay, upon sine b. This equals to, we can write a square minus c square upon 2ac whole square. Don't disturb it. You keep as it is, this one. Let it be simplified. 3 sine b by sine b. Sine b cancel. We have 3 minus 4 sine cube b by sine b, that is 4 sine square b, equals to, this can be written a square minus c square whole square upon 2ac whole square is 4a square c square. This is second step. Understood now? Right. Okay. Right. Today everybody is very serious. Good. 3 minus, now let us change sine square b in terms of cos, because we need to write in terms of a square, b square, c square only. It will be possible for cosine rule only. So that means sine square b we can write 1 minus cos square b, whose value equal to a square minus c square whole square upon 4a square c square. So let it be simplified. 3 actually minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 plus 4 cos square b. Sorry, 1 minus cos square b. Sorry, 1 minute. We need to open the brackets. Oh, I did mistake. Right, now correct. So this is minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, 4 cos square b only, equals to a square minus c square whole square 4a square c square. Already we know the answer, don't worry. So for the sake of us, we are doing this problem now. Now 1 minus, take minus 1 that side. So 4 cos square b becomes, 4 cos square b becomes a square minus c square whole square upon 4a square c square. Minus 1 goes that side, that becomes plus 1. Now I will go to the next page for our clarification. Clearly let us do it. Instead of cos b, apply the cosine rule. That is, we know c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca. So now this can be written 4 times. Instead of this cos b, we can substitute this value now. Okay. Now the c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ca whole square equals to, here LCM is 4a square c square. We get a square minus c square whole square plus 4a square c square. Here very interesting, you observe this numerator a minus b whole square plus 4ab. So that is actually a plus b whole square we can write. So this again we can write 4 times c square plus a square minus b square whole square by, this will be 4c square a square, because 2ca whole square equals to, this we can write a square plus c square whole square. This equal to this 4a square c square. This cancel. Take the square root. If you take the square root on both sides, you get 2 into c square plus a square minus b square is equal to a square plus c square. Just simplify. We are in the last lap now. We are in the last lap, don't worry. 2c square plus 2a square minus 2b square equal to a square plus c square. So take these two terms this side, take minus 2b square this side. C square minus 2c square minus c square plus a square equal to 2b square. Therefore, a square, b square, c square are in arithmetic progression. But don't do all these steps in the examination. Please remember this question as the result. Please try to concentrate. Already I told you short method. You need to remember. Don't go for the short method. We don't have any short method for this one. I already given the answer C. This is known as standard bits, SB, saving bank. This saving bank should be credited in your mind. In your mind. Okay, in your mind. So this you need to remember in your mind only. Okay. Remember Arunachal Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh. This is 61. In triangle ABC, this is also very interesting question. Angle B equals to pi by 3. D divides BC internally in the ratio 1:3. Then sine of angle BAD by sine of angle CAD equals to first option 1 by root 6, second option 1 by 3, third option is 1 by root 3, fourth option root of 2 by 3, root over 2 by 3. Voice today. One minute. Okay, now. Right, thank you. Actually, this question is concept oriented question. So, okay. Now, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 60, angle C is equal to 45. D divides BC internally in the ratio 1:3. Then we need to find out sine of angle BAD upon sine of angle CAD. So that means first we need to construct a triangle. Let us construct a triangle. Triangle need not be right angle. That is any triangle ABC. Right. So BC, D point divides BC in the ratio 1:3. You join this AD. This is one part, this is three part. Total part is four parts. 1, 3 write down, no problem. Here what is the angle? Angle B is given that is actually 60 degrees. Angle C is equal to given that 45 degrees. Say this angle is equal to BAD, alpha you say. Say this angle CAD, beta. This angle say beta. Now that means sin alpha by sin beta we need to find out. So first now you consider this triangle. I change the color of the triangle. So first consider this triangle. In this triangle we can write using sine rule. Using sine rule we can write sin alpha upon by opposite side is 1 equal to AD. Sorry, better you can write like this. So this alpha is opposite to 1. That means actually 1 by sin alpha equal to here AD. AD is opposite to 60. AD by sin 60. So now from this we can write AD value. AD value is equal to sin 60 degrees by sin alpha. Say equation 1 this is. Now I change another color. Okay, red color. Again other triangle you take it. This triangle. So in this triangle now, here side is 3. 3 by opposite angle is beta, sin beta. Again AD is opposite to 45. You can write AD by sin 45. This is sin beta. Here also we can find out AD. AD equal to 3 sin 45 degrees by sin beta. Say equation 2. Now what do you observe? This from 1 and 2, 1 equal to 2. We can equate 1 equal to 2. 1 equal to 2. That means sin 60 degrees upon sin alpha equal to 3 sin 45 degrees by sin beta. Now the cross multiplication. That means in the place of 3 sin 45 sin alpha write down. In the place of sin 60 sin beta. Now we can write like this. In the place of sin alpha, this 3 sin 45. Interchange these two values. We get sin alpha by sin beta is equal, that is the required one. Sin alpha by sin beta is equal sin 60 degrees by 3 sin 45 degrees. So just we need to simplify, that's all. So this equal to sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 upon this sin 45 is 1 by root 2, 3 by root 2. So root 3 by 2 into root 2 by 3. This we can write root 3 upon 2 can be written root 2 into root 2. Root 2 upon 3 can be written root 3 into root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled. We have root 2 gets cancelled. So 1 by root 2 into root 3, root 6. So first option is the right option. First check this step, all of you. Very simple. I have used this formula A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. For example, you say this is A by sin A. That means 1 by sin alpha. For example, you say this is B. Opposite side is B. B means AD by sin A. Next, actually these two you take. B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. B means AD by sin 45 here equal to 3 by sin beta. Okay. (62) in triangle PQR, sin P, sin Q, sin R are in AP, arithmetic progression. First option. Altitudes are in AP. Second, altitudes are in harmonic progression. Third, altitudes means heights are in GP. Fourth one, altitudes are in both arithmetic geometric progression. Okay. So now in triangle PQR, sin P, sin Q, sin R in arithmetic progression. Then altitudes are in AP, altitudes are in HP, altitudes are in GP, altitudes are in AGP. So that means first of all, sin P, sin Q, sin R in AP. This is a triangle PQR. Let us construct a triangle PQR first. This is P, this is Q, this is R. This side P, say small q, this is small r. Sin P, sin Q, sin R in AP means small p, small q, small r also in AP. Are also in AP. The reciprocals write down. 1 by P, 1 by Q, 1 by R are in reciprocal of AP series harmonic progression. I will tell you one here. Draw the perpendicular from P to QR. Say this is S. Now, for example, say this length, this is the one of the altitude, you say, for example, P1. So area of the triangle is delta is equal to of base is P into height is P1. So now the P1 is equal to, you can write 2 delta by P. 2 delta by P. Similarly, P2 is equal to 2 delta by Q. P3 is equal to, third altitude is actually 2 delta by R. That means now multiply this one, all these three terms with 2 delta. You get 2 delta by P, comma 2 delta by Q, 2 delta by R are in a harmonic progression. This is nothing but altitude. Say P1, P2, P3 are also in harmonic progression. That means second option is the right option. National Defense Academy also it will be useful. Okay. Right. One minute. Right. Last option is AGP. AGP. Okay. Right. Question number 63. The angles of a right angled triangle are in arithmetic progression, then ratio of its sides, first option 1 is to root 3 is to 2, second option 1 is to root 2, third option 2 is to 3 is to root 13, fourth option 1 is to 2 is to 3. So that means actually here the angles of a right angle triangle are in AP, ratio of its sides. For example, you say like this, you take a right angle triangle, say this is A, this is B, say this is C. Why should we say B means I will explain you. Because A, B, C, are in AP. That means 2B is equal to A plus C. We know that in any triangle, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. We know A plus C is equal to 2B. 2B plus B is 3B. 3B is equal to 180 degrees. So angle B becomes 60 degrees. That means angle B is 60 degrees. So as already right angle triangle, A should not be right angle. C, at C only. So because actually here you remember highest angle will be C. That's why C is 90. This will be 30. Now we know all the angles. We need to find out ratio of the sides. A is to B is to C, which is equal to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. Let us substitute. A is 30, sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin B, sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin C, sin 91, multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. So what do you get now? 1 is to root 3 is to 2. That's all. So first option is the right option. Okay, now tomorrow we shall continue. Today we shall, so that means in the evening session, so we shall discuss tangents and normals. Okay, bye, see you. Stay at home, stay safe. Right, thank you.